Very good with a cup of tea.
That's your English accent, isn't it? Your British accent.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey guys, what's good? What's good? Guys, it's been a long time, right? It's been a long time. I know it's been a long time.
I read something.
What happened to you? Where was you?
Them know what they're about, man, but you know what's something go.
Yeah.
I run away a swing go.
Guys, let me just say, it has been a long time. It's good to be back. I know I put out a vlog a couple of days ago, but I just wanted to say thank you. So many people reached out to us, you know, just checking up on us.
Checking up.
They say, guys, I haven't seen you drop anything for a long time. Are you okay? Are you good? Yes, we're good. Thank you to everybody that reached out just to make sure we were okay. We really appreciate that.
So it's a manners and prayers, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, we've just been busy with bookings.
Yeah.
We're booked to the high heels right now. Yeah, you know, over Easter, and we're very grateful. And of course, my dad was here, as you know, and had the family funeral to go and attend and all that kind of good stuff. So,
but we're good.
But we're good. We're good. So, guys, we're back on it now. You see us. You see us a bit more now.
Yeah, we're out there.
Yeah, we're out there. But guys, thank you again, just to everyone who reached out, just to check up on us and all of that. We appreciate you, and we're back on it, guys.
Give thanks to life, man.
Yeah.
Crazy things out there, man. I know what thing go.
Yeah.
We are bringing it to.
Yes.
So around the way I swing go.
Alright, guys. Yeah, a little more.
Good.
Guys, good morning. Happy Good Friday. Yeah, we've just woke. We just woke because it's early.
Yeah, it's the best Friday today.
Yes.
So
Yeah. Good Friday. So, guys, are you frying fish? Maybe you've not frying fish today. Bun and cheese, you know all the traditions that come with Good Friday. But of course we know that if you believe, there's a more deeper reason behind the whole Easter. So we try to keep that in our remembrance today. But guys, this morning, we're not frying no fish. We're not doing the whole fish frying today. No. We're eating mangoes all day.
Mango time, you know?
We're eating mangoes all day today.
You don't have to cook, you know?
We don't have to cook. We're just pure mangoes. No, it's a joke. We're not frying fish. We're not doing the whole fish frying today because sometimes it's just
Yeah.
So we're gonna go out today. We're just gonna go out and eat and maybe go Sharkies. Yeah.
Sometimes have a ton and make fashion.
Yeah. But we are cooking breakfast this morning. Are you cooking breakfast this morning?
Yeah, I'm cooking breakfast.
Okay, so show the people what you're cooking. This hasn't started yet, but see, we've got the ackee. So we have some saltfish there. Piece of yam.
I'll show you the banana now.
The banana.
Let me show you the banana.
Alright, let me show you the banana. Can you see? The same tree, still loaded.
Yeah.
The banana over there.
Yeah, 3-1 number people. One there to the road and two to the right as well.
I don't know if you can see the one over there.
Yeah, man. And one out the road.
There. Is there? One on the other side?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Three to the right.
That lost saying there's another bunch over there, but yeah.
So we're going to pick some banana after that one to the right.
Yeah.
And cook some after that with a piece of yam there.
Okay.
Some ackee and saltfish. You know?
Guys, look at the mango tree, how it's loaded. Look how it's getting loaded. Look at this.
Even let a blessing yam people.
Look, it's there, even on the floor.
You must I'm going to go see mango tree turn up one place and I think one of the pan it. And if a mango them.
Yeah. We're looking forward to that. But yes, guys, ackee and saltfish this morning. Yam and banana. Yeah. And then we're out on the road a little more.
Yeah, I like how the day stay, the daylight and the place look beautiful, you know?
Yeah.
Sun starts shining. Yeah, what a road nice.
Yeah.
I tell you.
People, I have to give you this joke, right? So here's Tetley tea bags. British Tetley tea bags. So when my dad came the other day to stay with us, he bought these, right? He bought some tea bags for himself. But the joke is that Outlaw is like, he loves these. We used to just drink coffee, but now every day he wants tea. Like, he wants a cup of tea, like, every day. In the morning, he wants tea. If we come in the evening, he wants a cup of tea. Like, oh my gosh, he's becoming so British. Yeah, he loves this. He loves this. He's like, whenever you go to England, you must bring back tea bag. Yes. People, watch him.
Yeah.
With his tea. Show the tea. See him with his tea there?
Yeah, maybe it's tea there.
English tea, British tea.
Cup of tea. Very
Why you
interesting.
how you love tea all of a sudden? Since my dad bought the tea bag, how you love tea all of a sudden?
No, time
All
for
2 times a day.
Time for everything. Man.
Oh.
Do with that. Yeah, time for everything.
Yeah, so
it's not time, change up. Yeah, the whole I get whole body thing. Change this making the top there.
So you
and then I'm young, if I let him team in one man. Right now, we need.
Yeah, but it's the English tea for me.
Nothing wrong with the tea, you know. It's not a cup of tea.
That's his British accent, people. That's his British accent. Say it again.
In the morning.
Say it again.
Very good with a cup of tea.
That's your English accent, isn't it? Your British accent. Alright.
Big up, Camo. Tea working.
Who's Camo?
Mr. Campbell.
That's my dad.
That's your dad.
Yes.
Yeah.
So he calls him Camo.
Yeah. We are big people, so we know where to run away.
Alright.
So we can fence up everything together. Madam, I'm proud, Mr. Cam.
So we were in St. Thomas a couple of days ago. You probably saw that vlog where Outlaw had all the limes in his... What did you have in your shirt?
I'm sure.
In your shirt. But we were gifted these lovely mangoes. These Julie mangoes, right? Yeah, we were gifted these lovely Julie mangoes. Loads of them. Yeah, so I look forward to all of these. Yeah, look forward to these.
People remember that something, yeah?
Okay. Ooh.
Star apple.
It's their time now, isn't it?
If you not pick it, it's not dropping.
So when people say you mean like star apple.
Like that. Yeah, if you don't pick that, it don't drop. But that's the time for it now. That's it season.
Star apple time. Let me set out like this.
Now what
Clean
thing
up
go?
that thing.
So it's a breakfast in the morning.
Ready for breakfast.
Yeah, so we put the thing together. You know, so a little bit now, you know, the mash up yourself. We're not picked on it. You good.
People want to tell you that Outlaw paid $400 for a dozen. Usually you can get them for like $200. $400 a dozen, but I think, well, everything's gone up around the world, but also Easter time, right? So you know, everything's good, the price is going to raise.
Like them here say, everybody from England and America come in which them there for two.
Yeah.
I go to the airport with the people, I tell you, say, people outside, the amount of people outside. The amount of people on the outside away from the people inside.
Yeah, so many flats are coming
The
in.
same amount of people the inside come off about 10 planes.
Yeah.
The same amount of people the outside away from them pick them up.
So many people are flying to England right now. I mean, flying to Jamaica, coming to Jamaica from all over. All
I tell
over.
you, and I know about something.
Yeah.
No normal at all. I want everybody live for foreign. No.
But now that everything's open back up, it's easier for
Everybody
people to
there,
travel.
man.
Especially people who haven't travelled for 2-3 years. They want to come. They want to come.
Everybody in Jamaica right now, my peeps.
Yeah.
So if you miss nobody up there, come along to Jamaica, man. Him there.
The one there. This is the one he's gonna take off. Man,
one first.
you plan to stand on that? Man, you drop.
You see that? What's your name?
Hold on, let me get this one better. Yeah. So this is the one you're gonna.
Yeah, man. This fitter than that. This come out before that.
Can't believe these just came out the other day.
Yeah, man.
Oh my
And that
God.
come out after.
Which one?
That
The
come
one
out
ran after. So you
Yeah,
haven't.
this one first, then that,
Okay.
and then that round the sun.
Okay. I haven't seen these ones.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. See them.
Yeah, man. So come.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. What do you think?
Okay, so you're gonna cut from this one.
Can you tell for this? Everything go. Just what
Look at what this man is standing on.
You got tall. Get to it easier, no? I don't want to one getting no, but you go too far.
Get what you can.
Yeah. Start with this.
There we go. Yeah.
Decent, man. Real.
This morning's breakfast.
Yes, man.
From backyard to kitchen.
That's something I name breakfast, my people. Breakfast. You remember that's something there? Breakfast. I moved to this morning, you know. Yeah, man. And you know everything go. Around the way I swing go.
But guys, look at the mango tree. Now I'm outside. And it's funny, you know, this tree, right? The mango's only bare on this side. So on that side of the tree there isn't any, but on this side, it's loaded. Yeah. Yes, people, this is my breakfast. A heavy breakfast this morning. If you know me, you know I don't eat this heavy in the morning. But it's Easter, Good Friday. Yam, banana, and saltfish.
Yeah.
Outlaws even poured me a glass of wine. Look at that. A glass of Moscato. Moscato.
Right there.
Yeah, so this is breakfast. This is breakfast this morning. And guys, you know me, I have to have my little ketchup on the side. I have to have my little ketchup on the side when I'm eating hard food. A little ketchup is a must. So yeah, that's my Good Friday breakfast, peeps. Hey guys, so we are at Sharky's now, Good Friday. Remember I said this morning, I'm not frying no fish today. So we just said, let's come to Sharky's and just, yeah. So I've ordered a fried fish. He's ordered his favourite.
Nice.
What did you order? Can you see yourself?
Pumpkin coconut.
Conch.
Coconut juice.
Conch. Yeah, like I always say, but that's his thing. So yes, Sharky's it is today, Good Friday.
Real food. Real man food.
Yes guys, I got it on the vibe. Hear the music? Next let's play some nice music to hold the vibe. Yeah. Drinking, sipping, should I say, pina coladas? Yeah.
Work.
He's having a good time. Yeah. Cheers, babe. Hello. Cheers. You're gonna leave me out there.
So what's the manners and prayers? I will give thanks to them. So we know what thing go. Round the way.
That's a bonfire. On a Friday they have bonfire. I think we've shown it before, haven't we?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice vibe, people, nice vibe. Just looking forward to my food. There's a nice vibe right now, this Good Friday. My dress is blown up. Yes, down there.
Real pumpkin thing.
Conch in curry. What? Coconut sauce.
Coconuts.
Rice and beef. There's me. Fried fish, escovite fish. Yeah. How is it? The lighting's bad, but how is it?
Good man. Always. Yeah man, good man. Good. Yes, please.
It's
Thanks.
good, thank you. Tastes good?
That's always.
Yeah. Big fish as usual, guys. I'm gonna try my best.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.